Hi guys, my name is Christine, and today I'm talking about how to make money online in 2025, and basically how you can build a one-person business from your home, on your laptop, or on your smartphone. So there is a few sections to this video, but I'm going to go through them as quickly and as concise as I possibly can with as little fluff and nonsense as possible. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about the tedious bit, okay? Because one of the biggest things that is going to help you make money online is if you build a following. Okay, so you need a following. Okay, so that's the first thing that you got to work on, and the reason I call that the tedious bit is because that can take a bit of time. It can take a while to get 1,000 followers. It can take a while to get 10,000 followers. It can take a while to get 20,000 followers, and so on and so on. So that's the first thing that you need to do. You need to build a following. So how can you build a following? So one of the things that you could do, which is the path I personally took, which was to offer free and useful information and to put it across in an engaging way. So one of the ways that I have done this in the past is by using stories of my own life, right? And this can be seen on my dating and relationship channel. So if you're interested in that, then go to YouTube, which you're probably already on. If you're watching this video on YouTube itself, it may have showed up in Google, maybe you found it there, but go to YouTube, go to the search bar and type in Christine Loveridge, and I'll come up with my dating and relationship channel. And that channel, as of now, as of when I've recorded this video, has about 30 plus thousand subscribers, so 30k subscribers. Okay, and what a lot of what I do in my videos is I give advice on dating and relationships, but I give relatable examples from my own life. Now I don't always, but I still use stories in some way, and scenarios, to put my point across. And that's one of the things that I've personally used. I've personally used stories to create engaging videos. So useful information. Okay, so one of the things that you may need to do then, okay, to acquire this is to gain specific knowledge. Okay, so specific knowledge is just basically a topic that you really dived into and you know a lot about. It may be because you've read a lot of books on it. It may be because you've had a lot of life experience on it. It may be because you've had you've researched, right, online, read lots of articles on it, but you've gained specific knowledge, and basically you've gained knowledge that is a little bit more than the average person. Okay, because so then when you gain a following, then the average sort of people who don't have as much information about that will be able to get information from you from the free information that you're giving, right? If that makes sense. Okay, so personally for me, one of the things that I have specific knowledge on is dating and relationships, okay, which most people are unaware of. Okay, and how I acquired that was through books and through practice in my own life when I was single and dating. Okay, my relationship advice has come from, again, things that I've read and things that I've applied into my own relationship and marriage. Okay, but again, it's knowledge that I acquired. I put effort into gaining this specific knowledge. So that's what you need. You need specific knowledge, and then when you've learned what you've learned, then you give it away for free. Okay, you talk about it in videos. You write blog posts about it. You write tweets about it. You make TikToks on it. Okay, and that's how you gain a following. Okay, but the important thing here is that you're giving most of your information away for free, because if you give away most of your information for free, okay, if not all of your information for free, then what you're going to do is you're going to gain trust, because people are getting the information for free, okay, and they like the fact that they're getting it for free, and maybe you even advertise that you give your information away for free. So for example, for me, I have a book on my website which is dating, which is a dating book, which is called Attracting the Beautiful Woman of Your Dreams. Now, this book people can buy if they want to because it's on Amazon and it's on Kindle, but it's not necessary because it's on my website for them to read for free. They don't even have to sign up to like a newsletter or anything. They don't have to give me their email address. They don't need to sign up to the website. They don't need to you have a login. They don't need to download anything. It's just there on the website. All they have to do is go to my website, which is www.christineloveridge.com, and then go to the menu and click on the link that says the book, and it goes straight there to a PDF reader, and they can read my entire book for free. Okay, another thing is that a lot of my dating and relationship advice is also for free. Like if people watched a good amount of my videos and took notes and really engaged in the content, they wouldn't need coaching from me. But I do offer coaching, which gets into my next step, which is you need to monetize your following. So the way that I've monetized my following is that, first of all, big one, or here on YouTube, on my dating and relationship channel, I have monetized that YouTube channel. Okay, so I get ad revenue. Basic, right? Another thing that I've used is digital products. So, for example, the book, right? You can get the Kindle version of it, and also you can buy it on Amazon, a physical copy. Also, the other digital products that I have is coaching. Okay, so if people want to have coaching with me, even though it's not necessary, it's there. Another way that I've monetized my following is that I have enough followers on YouTube that I've created a members page. Okay, so basically, but in even that, I say when I advertise that is, if you'd like to see videos sooner than most people, you can watch my members videos. Okay, but it's not necessary because they will be uploaded to the public eventually, which is true. They do get uploaded to the public eventually. It's just the public just have to wait a bit more for those videos. Okay, and even though the members know that, they still get it because they like, for whatever reason it may be, they like me, or they like what I talk about. They like the way that I present videos in some way. They find the topic interesting, and therefore they subscribe to the members. Okay, even though it's going to be uploaded to the public anyway at some point. But it's all about giving away this information for free and then finding a way to monetize your following once you've gained a following. But the great news about some of these, you might not always be able to monetize your YouTube channel, for example, straight away, or your blog straight away. But if you've got a website, you can start making digital products straight away that you can offer and put at the end of your videos. So at the end of my videos, I always say, if you want coaching with me and you need help with a specific situation, then go to www.christineloveridge.com. But again, I put it across as though it's optional, because it is. People don't have to get coaching with me. I say, if you watch enough videos of mine, and if you read my book and look at all the free information out there, yeah, sure, you may need to watch a few ads, or skip a few ads. You don't have to watch the ads either. That's always optional too. You may have to, watch a lot of my content, but eventually you'll get a good grasp of the things that I talk about, okay, and that I know, so that you can apply it to your own life. So none of it is necessary. Not even buying coaching from me is necessary. Yet people still do it because they trust me and because they want help with a specific situation. Okay, and they need help with a specific situation, even though it's not 100% always necessary that they need it. And I'm not withholding, and I make it a point that I'm not withholding information. You don't have to get coaching with me. Everything I know, I've said at some point on my YouTube channel in one of my videos. Okay, I'm not high. So for example, if people want coaching, yeah, I'm not going to say to them, oh, I'm going to give you this new trick that I haven't spoken about in my videos. It's just not true. Basically, when you watch a video of mine, what you see is what you get. Okay, so when I'm talking, that's exactly what I know about that situation. And if you find other videos that are related of mine to those topics, then you're going to find maybe a little bit more wisdom here and there, but maybe it's applied to a different situation. But this is basically how you make money online and create a one-person business. You have to give away that knowledge for free. You have to gain specific knowledge, so you've actually got something to give away for free. And then monetize your following. But like I said, you can monetize your following straight away. Another way you can do it is through affiliate marketing and stuff like that. Like, let's say you've gained specific knowledge through a certain number of books, then you can create links for those books on Amazon and say, like, these are the books that help me. If you want to gain the same kind of knowledge that I have, then I suggest that you read these books. And then you can even create a page like that on your website. You can have it in the link in the description of your YouTube videos, or other content that you've made on different platforms. It's a good idea to be on every platform. I think I'm pretty much on every platform apart from maybe LinkedIn. I do have a LinkedIn profile, and I did used to post to it. But you can find me on here on YouTube. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Threads, which I only recently started posting to, but it's actually really, really good. In terms of engagement, like, you can get engagement like pretty much straight away. Usually if you post like on YouTube or if you post on TikTok these days, if you're only just starting out, you get 0 hits. But Threads, and especially if you're using like a tag, you're gonna get some attention, right? Also with YouTube as well, it's good to use shorts as well, right? You try and post a short every day, which is something I try to do. I don't always manage to do it, but I do try to do it. Okay. But that's basically how you do it, okay? And that's how you can make money online in 2025. And I'm going from my own experience here and what I've done to make money. And I'm quite comfortable. I've made a good living off of YouTube and off of my other YouTube channel, which is Christine Loveridge, if you're interested in knowing that. And if you would also like to get some tips on, free tips, right, on dating and relationships, okay? And also, if you're interested in the book, if you're interested in attracting the beautiful woman of your dreams, then I highly recommend that you go and read it on my website for free at www.christineloveridge.com. And you can also get coaching with me there as well. If you'd like more help on this situation, then I can give you basically another rundown on this information, and maybe we can go into a bit deeper. But basically, everything you need to know is in this video. You just got to follow it. You just got to do it. But you got to remember, building a following is quite tedious. And another thing that I want to put in here, and I talk about this all the time on this channel and in a lot of videos that I make, is that you need to be persistent at this, okay? Especially when it comes to building the following, because that's the tedious bit, that's the hard bit, that's the grunt work, okay? You have to post for a while. You have to keep on posting for a while until you get some attraction, okay? And you have to repeat a lot of the actions. But what's good? I'll give you a goal then, okay? So in 2025, okay, when it gets to January, try and create 100 pieces of content, but just for a while, just try and stick to one platform, okay? And it's a good idea to do it to post to other platforms too. But if you've not been consistent with that kind of thing in the past, it's going to be very difficult and very overwhelming if you're trying to post every single platform, okay? So, for example, let's say you pick YouTube, right? Then make 100 videos around this specific knowledge that you have, okay? But also make sure that you like what you're talking about too. Don't do it if you don't like the knowledge, right? Pick a topic that you're fascinated by, okay? So one of the topics that I'm really fascinated by at the moment is, which I'm applying to this YouTube channel, is things around God consciousness, higher consciousness. Obviously, I love talking about business side of things, so I talk about that too. And things to that effect, and manifesting and all that kind of cool stuff. So those are the things that I'm really interested in on this particular channel. Okay, but on my dating and relationship channel, then obviously I'm really interested in talking about those kinds of topics, because that's one of the biggest areas that I have a lot of knowledge in. Okay, and that's why that YouTube channel is so successful. Okay, so but it took a while to get there. It took a while to get to those numbers. It took a while to get to 30,000. Okay, plus. So you got to keep on. So what you want to do then? 100 YouTube videos. Create 100 YouTube videos around your specific knowledge. And what you want to do is, when you've created that 100 videos, I want you to look in your analytics and see which ones performed the best. Which one performed the best? Okay, which one got the most views? It doesn't matter if it got only 300 views and the rest of them got 0 or just 10. That's the one that you need to work on. You look around at other videos on that topic that got the most views. So the one that got the most views, even if it was just 300, maybe it was something better. Maybe it was like 1,000 or maybe higher than that. Okay, but figure out what the title was, what the thumbnail looked like, and why that gained all of that attraction, okay? And then you make videos similar to that one, okay? Because that was the one that did well. So you try and repeat this success. Now, it doesn't mean that you do the exact same video. It just means that maybe you go on YouTube and look at other videos related to that topic, just copy their titles, and then create your own video based on that title. Because that's something that I do a lot on my other YouTube channel. So I go to the analytics page of my popular YouTube channel, and there's a tab that says audience, and basically there's a load of videos that my audience have watched that have these titles, okay? And so I just copy the titles. I don't watch the videos because I'm worried that I'll just accidentally copy, right? And I don't want that. So what I do is just copy the titles and I make my own video based on that title. So go to popular YouTube channels who have created the same kind of video that did really well on your channel, right? And then just copy the titles and just make your own version of it, okay? But don't copy. Don't watch it and don't copy. Try and put your own twist on everything that you do so you are original, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to get in touch with me personally and you'd like coaching with me, then please go to www.christineloveridge.com. And this was how to make money online in 2025 and to build a one-person business. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall talk to you soon. Do not give up.